Here is the Honda Pilot. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle, right on top of the Honda emblem, we have to put one finger right over there and then push it right. That's where the secondary release lever is. Right, so push it right, and while it's pushed right, lift up the hood. This is how the secondary release lever works. This hood requires a prop rod, so grab the rod from there, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and let it go. And now it's secure. Now right over there is the primary fuse panel. What we have to do is get this cover off. It's held in place by two clips, one over here and the second one over there. Press them and get the cover off. Underneath the cover is where you'll find the spare fuses. The 20 amp spare fuse is going to come handy in just a minute. Let's get the fuse puller out of there. Now this is the secondary fuse panel. This is held in place by three clips, 1, 2 and 3. Focus on the two fuses. RR socket is for the cargo outlet one. The CTR ACC socket is for the one that's inside the central console. Let's go ahead, get the fuses out. We'll check the fuse. If it's bad, then we'll replace it with a 20 amp spare fuse, and that's very likely what the problem is. Let's start with the center outlet, the one that's inside the central console. Let's get it out. This is a good fuse. How do I know that? Look at the center part. It's not broken. If yours is broken, then it's a bad fuse, and that's very likely what the issue is. In that case, what we'll do is we'll just go ahead, get the 20 amp spare fuse, pull it out of there, and then we'll check the center part of this fuse, make sure this is good, and then we'll just put it back in the original position. And when we do that, power will be back on. Same thing, let's just do it for the cargo outlet fuse. Pull the fuse, check if it's good or bad. In this case it's good. When I put it back in, power's back on. For the driver's side one, we have to go inside the car, slide the driver's seat all the way to the back. There's a bit of an awkward position, but it's totally doable. We'll focus on this one, FRACC socket. That's the front accessory socket. Let's go ahead, get the fuse puller on this socket, the 20 amp one, and let's pull it out. And when I do that, power is gone because there's a good fuse as well. Let's put it back in, and that's it. Power's back on. Put the fuse puller back in its place, and now let's push this cover back in its position. Press it down and it's secured. And also this cover position the way I'm showing, press it down and it's secured. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Thank you.